Hi guys, welcome back to the polka dot pine cone. So today is a project share for Beebeecraft. I picked out some items from them a couple weeks ago. They sent me to make some projects with, so I have made a few. I showed you guys, I had an unboxing and showed all the different things that I got. And so today I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've made with them. And yeah, so I just want to tell you about the different products that I got. Well, at least I'll show you the ones that I got. I'll show you the one I'm using today, okay? And then yeah, just so you know, Beebeecraft does, you get to, if you have like 100 or more subscribers, they have a YouTube program where you can pick out some items to use and try, and they send them to you, and you you know, make stuff with them and promote them on a video. So they have that YouTube program, which I will link below. I will link below the website, and I'll link below the products that I used. And then also they also have a discount code, a coupon that you can use. It's polkadot5. So you save $5 on orders over $40. So, you know, if you see anything you like and yeah, you want to go get some stuff from them, you can use that coupon code. Okay, so let me show you what I made. So let me show you first what I used. So what I used in today's video from Beebeecraft are these super cute kind of transparent chain links. It came with all these different colors, which I've showed before in the unboxing. So all these pretty colors. I think there was 10 or there must have been more. There must have been like 15 or so in the bag, 12 or 15 in the bag, because I've used quite a bit already. So anyway, this is one of the products that I chose. I thought those were just so pretty. Okay. So I will link those below in case you're interested in trying to find those. Alright, and then what I made was some cute little embellishments. Okay, so I made these cute little embellishments using, this is Scrap Diva Designs, straw bow. I wanted it for a while. I didn't get it the first time around, then she restocked, so I got a few. This, I think it was last week, I got a few of the things that she had restocked, because there was, I don't know, 4 or 5 things in the restock that I had wanted in the past, and so I was able to get them all. So anyway, this one is one of them. So it's this die right here. It comes in 3 different sizes. Okay, I layered them all up. This one I just stitched down the center, and then I hooked these cute little, rather than putting it through, you know, a pencil or a straw like you know, you can use, that's what it's made for, but I decided just to make cute little hanging embellishments. So I attached a cute little garment pin up here on the top. I've tied a tiny little piece of tulle, and then I've attached 3 different little single bead, you know, to dangle off the garment pin. Okay, then I took the 3 layers and layered them up. I got it stitched down the center. I got a cute little flower here, and this is a puffy sticker, and then a little gem right there. And then through this hole, I've attached some of the links. And so this one I used a pink and the green and the yellow, because it matched so well with that. So look how cute that is. So loving both of those. This is another one that I made. So this one I'm using whatchamacallit, carousel paper. Okay, so again I have the garment pin, tiny little piece of tulle, and then some more beads attached, a little puffy sticker just going across, and then I just stitched down the center there, again a little tiny little gem, and then I attached 3 more little chain links here. I got the gray, the clear, and the kind of peachy pink one right there at the bottom, because that looked really good with those colors of the paper. So I think these turned out super cute. So this one, there's another one. These ones I stitched as, you know, what are, if you can call it stitching. I really struggle with it. So anyway, I stitched the bottom layer and the top layer, and I stitched this banner across the center. I puffed up a sticker from Tim Holtz there in the center on top, that Good Life. I made a tiny little rosette out of carousel paper, and then a tiny little gem, and then again with the tulle and the little beads, and then again off the bottom some pretty little chains. So this one I used the blue and the kind of medium green, and then the yellow. Don't those look so cute hanging there like that? So cute. I love those. Okay, and then this one I did the same thing. I stitched the top and the bottom, and my stitching on this is awful. I was having a heck of a time trying to do this, so I didn't do any more of them stitched. So again, with the garment pin and the tulle, some more matching beads, one of the pin flags from Scrap Diva Designs, and then a Tim Holtz sentiment popped up here on foam, another tiny little rosette, and then a gem in the center, and then the chain links hanging from the bottom. So cute. I love these. So I think they turned out really cute. And then also I had already made these, well, I had partway made these, I think it was just a KS Craft die with the you know, the scalloped heart, and then the layered like a candy. These ones I puffed up on really high foam, and then I glossy accented the top so they're nice and shiny and glossy looking, really cute. And then I put this fun little puffy sticker in the center. And then on this one, I just, with a jump ring, I attached one link. So there's my one link right there. And then I attached another jump ring on the bottom. And then again, a tiny little piece of tulle. And then some bead dangles to dangle down. Look how pretty that is. These chains make some really pretty embellishments, and this is only beginning. I mean, the possibilities are endless. This one I did the same thing. Glossy accents again, puffed up on foam, a little puffy sticker in the center, and then a jump ring again with tulle, and then used the cute little, the green one, and then another jump ring around the bottom, and some more single beads hanging off the bottom. So these make some really cute little dangles. Super cute. And these chains fit together really easy. I mean, they're super easy. They each have a, so they have, you know, a little gap at the one end. So all you do is just take the two ends, take two links that and take the opening, and just kind of put them together, and they just link up that quickly. So really easy. So those come out really fun. So anyway, so that is using those little kind of transparent links, chain links that I got from Beebeecraft. So yeah, I will link that product, their website, the YouTube program, and the and my coupon code. I'll list it down below. So if you guys are interested, you can go check them out. I don't know if Erica has this back in stock again now, if it's sold out again. I'm not really sure. Like I said, it's been in stock and out a couple times, and I just got it this last time. So I'm not sure if they're available again, but yeah, it's a really fun die. Yeah, I like it for the straw, but I also like it on a pencil. And then, yeah, to just use as an embellishment. So, and I could have like, I could have still put this on a pencil or a straw, and just like, see how because I layered up the three different sizes. I could have just like hung this chain like from either just from the one in the back, just the bottom one, and let these two go through the straw, or I could have done it reverse, like let this one hang from the back and then fed these other two holes through the straw and made it work that way too. So that could be a cute, you know, cute one to, you know, go ahead and feed the straw through and still have these dangling down. I think that would be really cute too. So anyway, that is my latest thing that I've made with that. I'll be back with another video of some other things I created with some more of the products that I received from them. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, leave in the comments. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll link everything below. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.